Hello YouTube. Alright, today we have an unboxing of just the most exciting thing in the world, a keyboard. So, let's get to it, shall we? As I nearly cut myself on trying to open a knife with one hand. Don't try this at home, I'm a professional moron. Lol. And there you have it, here's the box of the keyboard. It's pretty simple, it gives you the layout there. This is a full keyboard. Apple keyboard, designed by Apple in California, made in China. It requires... Have you ever seen a keyboard require an operating system? It actually requires macOS 10.4.10 or later, and a USB 1.1 or 2.0 port. Lol, I'm surprised it doesn't take Thunderbolt. But who would need a Thunderbolt keyboard? Oh my god, it's a keyboard! Yep. Here she is. It's got the USB hub on it, which is really nice for the short mice they give you. Short-corded mice, I should say. Keyboard aside, you get a USB extension cable, which I think is pretty nice. And you get a manual for a keyboard. Yeah, that's going to stay in the box, lol. So... what I have here is a keyboard, and the USB port, which is actually keyed for the USB dongle, or extension cable, which is how they've done it in the past. This is the exact thing they did with my iMac G4 keyboard when I had that keyboard. So, yeah, Apple's unboxings are not quite that exciting, but this keyboard is very nice. It actually has it uses scissor keys, so it feels much like a laptop does and what Apple's laptops feel like. And it has a number pad. Yay, the number pad. And it's wired, so I don't have to worry about freaking batteries. Yeah. So, all in all, these keyboards are very nice. I'd even recommend using these on PCs. I know, Jordan from This Week in Linux uses one on his Dell Linux box. So, you know, more than just Mac users enjoy these keyboards. I think they're very nice keyboards, mainly because of the hub and the scissor keys, if you're a scissor key type of person, if you like using those. But other than that, I mean, obviously it's no Model M and it's no Cherry Switch keyboard, but it's a well-revered keyboard. It's a nice keyboard. I just thought I'd unbox it for you since this thing has been sitting wrapped in my closet for God knows how long, maybe like 6 months now. Yeah. So, that's been an unboxing of the Apple wired keyboard. Have a good one, everybody. Ciao.